Hi, this is Allison. It is 11 something at night, and I was watching a video about these two people who live really, really far away from each other, and they finally met for the first time, and I just started crying because of the intensity of how they felt and how they stood that for so long. So I just decided to make a video on asking you guys on how you guys view love. Like, I dated somebody whom I really love and still love, who lives an hour and a half away from me. And we never got to see each other. We still don't get to see each other. But how do you guys view love? Do you guys view it as a curse? Do you guys view it as something that's always there? If you get what I mean. If you're wondering which room I'm in my stepbrother's room because my parents are upstairs sleeping. And so, yeah, it's all guyish. But another thing that's going on in my life is I'm starting to come back to whom I was before my grandma died. And I know you guys probably don't want to hear all this drama or anything, but there's some times where people actually do care. And I could really use a lot of support. Start my OGTs next week. That's mainly about it. So, subscribe and requests for songs or anything. And I play piano now, so, well, I've been playing piano, but I've never really, posted any videos from piano on here yet, which I just did, maybe a couple days ago. So, I have some songs I'll post on later. So, I don't know what else to say. Yeah, so, see you later.